There is a rose in Spanish Harlem, a red rose up in Spanish Harlem. She is a special one, she's never seen the sun. She only comes out when the moon is on the run and all the stars are gleaming. She's growing in the street, right up through the concrete, but soft and sweet and dreamy. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem, a red rose up in Spanish Harlem, with eyes as black as coal that look down in my soul and start a fire there, and then I lose control and have to beg your pardon. I'm going to pick that rose and watch her as she grows in my garden.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute. I never thought through love we'd be making one as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely? Made from love. Now isn't she pretty? Truly the angel's best. Boy, I'm so happy we have been heaven blessed. I can't believe what God's done. Through us He's given life to one. Isn't she lovely, made from love?
sunshine when he's gone. It's not warm when he's away. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and he's always gone too long. Anytime he goes away, wonder this time where he's gone. I wonder if he's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime he Olha que coisa mais linda, mais cheia de graça. É.
To say what's impossible, but they forgot. This world keeps spinning.